Alright, what is up YouTube? Today I got two packages. This first one from Amazon and this also another one from Amazon, and they were both shipped to here in Japan. I am doing a film internship, more like public relations, but anyway, I realized I'm filming this without a microphone on my camera. I am so excited. I told a few of my friends that I got this camera, and I've just been in love with this camera for like the last year now. Oh wow, so much bubble wrap. So much. But yes, here is one of the lenses. I am super excited for this today. You guys have no idea. But here it is. Here is the little bit scuffed up. Here is the 28 by 70 f3.5 by 5.6, 28 by 70. It says the steady shot. I am super excited for this. I didn't even know this cap was going to be included onto the device, but that's just incredible. I'm feeling so much right now. It's so great just to finally be able to like have a piece of this camera, and just the box is in the corner. We're just teasing me for a long time now. I don't know how much of a disaster this would have been for me to start this internship without actually having this camera ready in hand. I just have a little bit of homework to do. I napped mostly today. It says used very good on the box, but I don't know if you can see this. It's literally just paper. It's gonna be the new backdrop for this video. Incredible, right? Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's the battery. It's nicely wrapped, sealed. Oh, got it. And it says Info Lithium. Alright, branded by Sony. Here is the charger. Okay, there's a lot of tape on this product, as you could imagine. An official Sony product, and here is the strap, which I don't know if I'd be using, but I might. Just because I don't want to do any harm to this camera. This Sony A7SII camera, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow, check this out. I'm so excited for this camera. They said there was minor wear, and it is a little bit noticeable, but it doesn't look so bad, so to finally own this camera is just... Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing of my Sony A7SII. I'm going to be very careful with trying to put on the lens right now. I'm now shooting in full frame, and this is going to be incredible. I can't wait to start using this camera. I believe more of the accessories were inside of the box, but I'll look for that in a bit. But yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day and take care. Peace.